Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix the Google Wallet not downloading problem. Now to do that, just open your web browser. Now from here, just search Google Wallet. Now from here, tap on Google Wallet APK for Android. Now once you have done that, scroll down and tap on Download APK. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Download X APK. Now from here, tap on Download again. Now from here, tap on Details. Now it will take a few seconds to download the Google Wallet APK. Now once the APK is fully downloaded, just go to your home screen. Now from here, open the Play Store. Now once you have done that, just search Z Archiver. Now from here, just download this app. Now as you can see, I have already installed this app on my smartphone. If you have not installed it yet, just tap on Install. And once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, just tap on Download. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Google Wallet. Now from here, tap on Install. Now from here, tap on Install. Now from here, tap on Open. Now from here, just grant Google Wallet these permissions. Now as you can see, this is how you can fix Google Wallet not downloading problem on any smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.